Happy day 152 of day trading. The stock market opened with a small cash account. LASE is really the only thing I find interesting at, oh, APVO, I must have missed this. And APVO. Relatively interesting. Not super interesting, relatively interesting. So let's see. I like LASE's news as news that I guess its technology successfully took down a drone, maybe? Successful live drone neutralization. Cool. Cool. Definitely use that in today's world. 420. We got a gap up. If we break 420, that daily candle is 470. So yeah, we got some action. Pre-market high there at 417. So here goes. What about the APVO news? Nothing. No new news. Sketchy. Little sketchy. Little sketch. Don't like big gainers on no news. Feels like I'm being lied to. APVO halt downs at 2. LAC halt down. LASE halt down 320. Let's see which stock takes a crown here. We're going to switch over to the aftermarket scans already just because there's nothing going on. I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. INTW, too expensive. AQB, nope. Caps, nope. MLG, no. So it looks like it's only LASE. Which is a bummer after yesterday's momentum, right? But it's okay, I suppose. APVO might, nope. Need LASE to break through highs and stay strong in the candle, maybe wait for the first pullback and then kind of get aggressive that way. I don't really want to take, I don't want to take a position on the stock in between this kind of range between VWAP and pre-market high. I think that's kind of asking for risk that I'm not super interested in. Halt down 317. So it's been 152 days. I guess now would be a good time to tell everybody thank you. That's a Jordan. Oops, that's, oh, I don't even have the thank you on it. Well, Jordan will work. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and rocking with me these 150 something days. Much appreciated. The comeback has been fun, and you guys make me want to keep showing up day after day. So I appreciate y'all being here. Okay, VWAP's holding 378. I guess you guys can get some air horns. You guys deserve the air horns. DJ AT. Spending the ones and twos and $4 stocks. You know nothing's moving now. Halt down 194 APVO. What is this? We're getting 3 dojis in a row for LASE. So we have 3 dojis, maybe 4 dojis. Let's see which way it picks the direction. Green coming in. Yeah, I'm going to hold off. Even if it breaks 4, I'm going to hold off. I needed to set basically like a new flagpole above 417. All right, APVO, you got no news. You might as well flush down the lower band and give us something. Nope. LASE coming up, rejected off of 4. It's going to have a lot higher low here. We got 40 seconds. That's a lot of time left on this minute for LASE. Nope, doesn't look like it. No higher low. Lower band is in play, and it's right at a daily level, which should be nice. Now, we haven't really seen any lower bands happening, probably because of the market condition shift, but not saying I won't welcome it. Let's see what happens here. So, where would shorts cover? After this panic flush, let's go. 345, come on. If we, not on this candle, maybe next candle. Need it to happen in one candle. Flush down at 345 and I'm taking size. Speeding up red. Ooh, nope. $69, $68, $67, $66, $67, $66. Alright, doesn't look like it's happening on this candle. How about you, APVO? You really deserve it because you have no news. Oh wait, you do have news at 2:58 in the morning? What? Oh, it was after hours news yesterday. Breakthrough on treatment results. This is a shame that I'm looking at trying to figure out which one's going to lower band first. Isn't that a shame? And it was not 2:58 a.m. It was 2:58 p.m. yesterday, I think. Got nothing else really making any kind of wave. PBM is gonna probably do something silly. And I say that because what's the news on it actually? No new news. Of course. Why would you? Why would you have no news and top out at $8 from $4 pre-market, right? Makes a lot of sense. But hey, it's a stock market. It's not supposed to make sense, right? That's what makes it so tricky. Yeah, you know, you got to be careful. I got to be careful with offerings on. I already got stuck on one offering. I think that's the first. That's the first time I got stuck in an offering in a long time. But I don't want to get stuck in another offering. So no news has me a little skeptical. LASE VWAP over 380. Also EMA VWAP. $28 seconds until a new minute. No, that was 22 seconds. PBM only has, it's got well less than 1 million shares outstanding. That is interesting. All right, I was gonna pop up some FinViz, but if this thing's gonna dump, I need to focus on LASE. What is this? AP? No. PBM. Hardly any shorts on PBM. Hardly any shorts on, well, not too much short on LASE either. How about APBO? No. All right, LASE, show the world what you got. Show them 380. Nope. Today's Thursday. Feels like a Friday. Hey, PBO's curling, dude. Does it have what it takes to break VWAP, though? This is pretty choppy. Oops. This is pretty choppy, but... we're still waiting. I mean, I can keep sifting through these stocks, but... that was a good breakout. DJ, turn it up. There it is. 1 minute to make a new low. Let's get it. And it got bought up again. Nope. Nope. Flash down. And it's getting bought up again. It's going to flash down again. Okay. Keep on waiting, waiting. Make sure it doesn't have news. Make sure it doesn't have news on the flush down APVO. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 new minute. Let's check on PBM. Light volume on this pop. Let's see if it catches some bulls. A minute. Caught some bulls there. Doji. Tug of war, bulls and bears here again. Bears won this last time above VWAP. Bar fresh again? We haven't seen that one in a long time. Let's wait and see what happens with this candle before I switch tickers. Oh, bar fresh. Grouped by dairy thing. I already read that. Okay. Just chilling and waiting. 1 minute to make a new low. Go. 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 Drop below 160. Dang it. Interesting looking flash wick there. MACD is looking like it's... Let's zoom out on MACD just a little bit. You know, it's going to take more time, but MACD is looking like it wants to maybe curl. It's going to need more green volume for that to happen. Get 380 LASE. There's 380. Ooh, buyer at 384 stepped in. Buyer got eaten, taken out. Wiki, sellers 382. Small seller, small buyers though. Small seller there, 382 still. Oh no. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Wow. Trapped bulls again. Bull trap. Drop a comment if you got trapped in any of those bull traps on LASE so far. Try to go fishing on lower band on APVO. Fishing for some stocks, some stock flush. Here comes LASE again. Is they gonna take out the bears this time? $20 seconds until a new minute. What are we gonna do? Dude, this is crazy. Buyers 265, trying to hold it. Dude, this is wild. Just knock out the buyers, get the flush over with. New minute. There's 265 buyer again. You got eaten. 261. Looking for, or not 261, 361. Looking for 345 still. That'd be a treat. That would be a treat. I don't think it's going to happen, though. $20 seconds till a new minute. Two, one, new minute. Small buyers again, 363. A lot of buyers there at 370, interesting. Followed up by sellers at 367. New PVO, not hit with the offering yet. Small buyers, 365 or LASE, just wipe them out. There we go. Now flush. Nope. Buyers got eaten, but the stock didn't flush. Okay, hands ready if 360 breaks. Okay, break down 360. There's 360. Break. 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 What's going on with 360 here? What we got hidden buyer here at 360 or what? Nope, there she goes. Hidden buyer finally got cooked. Not far enough. All right. We're not going to spend the whole day watching paint dry, so I'm out of here. Spread love, be good to each other. No trade day. Drop a comment. Let me know how y'all did. Peace.